Hey guys, good morning. I just want to address one topic. It keeps coming over and over again, and it is the key as to understanding why. Because you see, you could find yourself jumping from one thing to the other, but you need to always be asking yourself your why. When you have your why helps you to really consolidate your position in whatever you're doing. You have the what and the how, which are basically like more tangible. Because when you want to do something, the how is okay. How are we going to get it there? How are we going to get the money? The what? Okay, what is it? Is it a restaurant business? Is it a whatever sandwich or whatever hairstyling business? The why. The why is generally not really answered, and it's definitely not very definite when we're starting off. Why? And you realize that I woke up with this thought actually, and I was like asking myself, look, you might be wanting money or riches or wealth for the wrong reasons. Again, the why. You see, I think that many of us will get trapped and would get finally the money, the wealth, the car, whatever that you wanted. And then you realize that there's really an emptiness here. You know why you're feeling empty? It's because that question wasn't properly answered. You didn't put everything into perspective. And therefore, when you finally had the what and the how was solved, the why question wasn't still answered. Why? Why do I want to get multiple sources of income? Why do I want to have a does a Lamborghini is it really necessary? Is it just because another star has it and that's why I also want it? You see? So to put all this together, I wanted to focus on multiple sources of income. And why do I focus on multiple sources of income? Because I want to be free. I like I like having options. I like the fact that I could even be in a job and probably I'm being called or opportunities are coming from elsewhere. Even if I am gonna still turn them down, there's that feeling that comes as a man when you have so many options. I'm not even talking about the women yet, okay? But I'm just talking about the feeling that you get when you step into a store, when you're shaving, you're in a barber store somewhere, or you are in an apartment and you still have options as to where to live or where to cut your hair or where to go dine with your family, right? The more you have those options, I mean, options of travel, whether you can go by air, by land, helicopter, scooter, or whatever, the more options you can have, the more options you have, the more joy you have finally, right? That's it. Think about this. Think about this. Have a fantastic day.